Hello, dear students. Здравствуйте, студенты. My name is Veronica. Меня зовут Veronica, and I am a professional certified Russian teacher with already 7 years of teaching experience, and of course, I am a Russian native speaker. I live in Moscow. Я живу в Москве. And today I would like to teach you how to pronounce and how to use correctly our Russian days of the week. So it seems kind of easy, but we have cases in Russian language. And today, sorry, not today, but today, we will talk about days of the week and a little bit about cases. It's easy. You will understand it very clearly, I promise. So let's start from here. All these words are in basic case. It is called nominative case. So I start from the first day here. I will put an accent. Wait a second. Accent is here on ye. Понедельник. 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 Понедельник means Monday. Next one is вторник. Вторник. It's very easy to remember for Slavic people because in Russian language second is второй. Второй. It's easy because Tuesday is second day of the week. Второй, вторник. Here is the same root. Вторник. The third day we call среда. Accent on A. Среда. Среда. Again, easy to remember for Slavic people because средний in Russian language, it means middle. And среда, Wednesday, is in the middle of the week. The same root. Средний, среда. And четверг, also easy to remember. Accent is on this ye. Четверг. 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 It comes from the number 4. Четыре. 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 Четверг. It's easy because it's fourth day of the week. Next one. Пятница. Accent on first ya. Пятница. Again, easy to remember. You just need to think about the number 5. Пять in Russian. Пять. Пятница. The same root. Пять. Пятница. Okay. Next one. Суббота. 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 Accent on O. Actually, this word is not Russian at all. Some linguists, they think this word came from Jewish language, and some others, they think this word is connected with Latin somehow. In Spanish, you have something very similar to Russian суббота, суббота. And the last one, and the most difficult one, воскресенье. 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 This word is connected with a Christian religion, and it is the day when happened the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Воскресенье. This word itself means resurrection. So let me read from the beginning without any notes. Wait a second. First time I read slowly, and second time I read faster, like a normal native speaker, not a teacher, would do. Понедельник. Понедельник. Вторник. Вторник. Среда. Среда. Четверг. Четверг. Пятница. Пятница. Суббота. Суббота. Воскресенье. Воскресенье. Okay? And please write me below in the comments, what is your favorite day of the week and why? Me personally, I love this one. Воскресенье. And also, I guess, среда. 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 Okay. And now we start cases. This was what we read before. This was nominative case, basic case. We call it first case. We use it in this situation. If you want to ask, you just forgot, what day is today? This is question. Что сегодня? Or even better, какой сегодня день? What day of the week is today? Какой сегодня день? And you use nominative case here. Понедельник. Да? For example, you can say, today, right now, is Friday. Yeah? It's here. Friday. Сегодня пятница. Today is Friday. Сегодня пятница. Завтра, tomorrow. Завтра суббота. Завтра суббота. Okay. But if you want to say when, you need to use accusative case. Also we call it fourth case. Okay, so if you want to say, we will meet on Monday, you need to remember two things. First thing is you need to use preposition v, like it's written here, v, v. And the second thing, you need to think about the gender. Masculine gender and neuter gender, we don't change. Like here, понедельник remains понедельник. Вторник, the same, вторник. But it's all masculine. But среда is feminine. And we need to replace this. I will underline. And we need to replace this a to u. This ending is accusative case. It shows on Wednesday, not just Wednesday, but on Wednesday. This is how Russian grammar is structured. So let me read. All in accusative case. В понедельник, во вторник. Here we use va because вторник starts from V-t. It's difficult to say в вторник. You need some vowel in between. So we choose во вторник, в среду, в четверг, в пятницу. Again, here we need to replace a with u. В пятницу, because it's feminine. В субботу, again, we need to replace because it's feminine. В воскресенье. No change because it's neutral. So, for example, if I want to say, I work on Monday. Я работаю в понедельник. Я работаю в понедельник. If I want to say, I don't work on Saturday, we use this form. Я не работаю в субботу. Я не работаю в субботу. As easy as that. You just need to remember kind of two things. First, preposition. Second, masculine, neutral, or feminine. And the last thing, you change, if it is feminine, a to u. As easy as that. Nothing difficult. Like cases, I think almost all foreigners are afraid of cases. But if you do it step by step, you just think and try to remember, try to understand, it is easy. Cases are easy to remember, but you just need to slow down, keep calm, and study. Okay. This is the example. Ждем вас в субботу. It's accusative case. We are waiting for you on Saturday. Ждем вас в субботу. Okay. And for example, of course, we have lots of cases and lots of different situations, but I choose only two for today. If you want to say, we work every Saturday, you just need this construction по субботам. По субботам. For example, мы работаем по субботам. The same for Monday. Мы работаем по понедельникам. Also, мы работаем по вторникам. Let me write it here. Just a second. Мы работаем по, and here all the cases going. Понедельникам. По вторникам. По средам. По четвергам. По пятницам. По субботам, like in our example, and по воскресеньям. Sorry, forgot мягкий знак. По воскресеньям. So you just need to add this wonderful in the end of the word. Да, по понедельникам. Like here. По понедельникам. по вторникам, по средам, по четвергам, по пятницам, по субботам, по воскресеньям. For example, talking about my schedule. Я работаю по понедельникам, по вторникам, по средам, по четвергам, по пятницам и по субботам. А вы? And you? А вы? Please write me below in the comments. In Russian, would be better in Russian. When do you work? Когда вы работаете? Using this grammatical rule. Okay. So I just wanted to say that, of course, we have some other situations where we use days of the week. But for beginners, my lessons now are for beginners, it's totally enough, in my opinion. So now you know how to say, it is Monday today. Let's repeat. It is Monday today. Сегодня понедельник. And you know how to say the shop works on Monday. Магазин работает в понедельник. Also, you know how to say the shop works every Monday. Магазин работает по понедельникам. It was masculine gender. And feminine. My brother, let's say, my brother, actually, I don't have a brother, but let's say, my brother works on, no, today, let's say, today is Wednesday. Nominative case. Сегодня среда. My brother works this Wednesday. Мой брат работает в среду. We use accusative. And the last one, my brother works every Wednesday. Мой брат работает по средам. As easy as that. Nothing special. But by the way, this case, по, blah, 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 it's dative case. По субботам, dative. So, I hope this lesson was very useful and helpful for you, and you knew some new information and some new grammar rules. And I think next time we will be talking about months, most probably, or maybe verb conjugations. I am thinking about my plan. I think months are useful, but might probably verbs are more interesting and more helpful, I guess. Okay, so let's start. We will be talking about Russian verbs, easy Russian verbs, no exceptions, okay? So see you next week. Bye-bye. See you next week. For example, I think I will be uploading new videos on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Friday. So now you know how to say this in Russian. Я делаю видео в понедельник, в среду и в пятницу. Okay, so see you в понедельник. Увидимся в понедельник. See you on Monday. Увидимся в понедельник. Пока-пока.